transportation program in the country that addresses the commuting crisis in Metro Cebu. So what you can see right now is just some of the problems that Cebuano commuters are experiencing. To give you numbers about it, JICA, Japan International Cooperation Agency, who conducted the Urban Transport Master Plan in Cebu way back 2019, mentioned that 70% of the people capable of riding are public commuters, but only 10% of vehicle in the roads now in Metro Cebu are intended for them. So just to give you a picture, 70 katao, no? 70 person out of 100 are public commuter, but only 10 vehicles is allotted for them in the road. So majority are private vehicles. And people are claiming because of public transportation we are traffic. No, it's not. It's because people are capable of paying private vehicles. One of the key performance or key indicator of we are lacking public transportation is the increase of motorization. That's why there is an increased purchase of motorcycle, and even right now during the energy crisis, increased order of electric vehicles. But it does not solve public transportation crisis. The Tabang Pangbyahe main goal, availability, accessibility, and reliability of public transportation service that is focused mainly on commuters' experience that through this project, that through this Tabang Pangbyahe, nindot nga biyahe ang ma-experience. Nindot nga biyahe that can be seen through seamless travel experience that include reduced waiting time for boarding from 40 minutes to 1 hour, in average as of present, to 15 to 20 minutes during peak hours. Travel experience should include the waiting time. Dali, ngano dali man, because aside from shortened waiting time, travel is more efficient. It's predictable, and there is assurance of bus availability per identified stops. Third promise of this program, comfortable. Through our program, your dignity and right as passenger is honored. Less to no standing will be allowed for all buses enrolled to this program, giving you full seating comfort during your travel. About the project, aside that this is the first local government-led funding, this will focus mainly to daily commuters. And based on our review and survey, it's within Metro Cebu area, meaning people coming in and out in Metro Cebu every day. And this is for them, students, professionals, workers, because everything is centralized within the Tri-City core, Cebu City, Mandaue City, and Lapu-Lapu City. And how do we improve the service? Through the improved service, there will be standard cleanliness and sanitation, and more, as you can see in the screen. Functional GPS, functional low-floor PWD, and compliance with the high-capacity buses. Right now, we will be doing our route testing pilot run for the following routes. Okay, the following routes is going to this one, Cebu South Bus Terminal, going to Sibonga, Sumala. That's for the south route. And for the north route is from Cebu IT Park going to Danao City Bus Terminal. It comprises of 12 local government units. And please note, everyone, that the province of Cebu will be the first province and the first LGU in the Philippines that will do this program. We expect not perfect output, not perfect outcome, but we will make sure we will be delivered as promised. We will improve along the way, we will implement and improve along the way, and we'll see from there how can we improve, focus on people and commuters' experience. So that's an overview about Tabang Pangbyahe, and I believe it would be good that it would be experienced and explaining it. So what would be the next step after the MOA signing? There would be now procurement of the buses, not buses, but the services of the operators. After if there will be a awarded na to the operators, then we will run the service. So we're targeting end of June or first week of July as promised. So that's all in all, the Tabang Pangbyahe, and let's make good things about this, as Bob mentioned earlier, will make this happen. Because if this will be successful, the rest of the provinces all over the Philippines and will be able to replicate and upscale the program at their own context. So that's it, may hapon, and may we have a fruitful discussion, guys.